Boom!
Boom, that's right.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about. This workshop coming up is our full action workshop. Full action meaning?
Yes. Ninjas.
Yes.
Parkour.
Yes.
Dancing.
Yes.
Silk spinning
Yes.
girls on the silk coming
silk
down
spinning
up the,
girls. Huh?
Yeah. Everything.
Aerial dancers
Yes.
is what they call them.
It is going to be an amazing workshop. Full action. This is the chance for you to get some of those incredible images that you probably don't have in your
In
portfolio.
fact, this is our most requested workshop each
Yes.
year. We've done it 3 or 4 times there,
Yeah.
and people come away there and are so pumped up with the images they got.
Yeah.
It's a blast. The whole day is super fun.
This is a giant warehouse that is set up for parkour, free running, where there's walls and things for people to climb on and jump off of. They've got foam pits.
Yeah.
They've got a huge dojo where they do the karate.
So it's at Free Flow Academy
Yeah.
up in Rocklin. And Lon and Elle, who run and own this place, are ninja masters.
They've
are. Actually been in ninja movies. They choreograph for a lot of fight movies over in China. They are truly some of the best people for action fighting.
Yes.
And we take
And that is the highlight of it.
Is when they
Is
start to
just when
spar.
Lon and Elle start sparring
Yep.
together, everybody goes crazy and we get the coolest photos.
So we want you to come out there
Yes.
on the 3rd of February. Now this is an earlier workshop. It starts at 8 a.m.,
Yep.
right? So it's an early call time, but it goes from 8 a.m. till noon, and it's gonna be non-stop action.
Yes.
It's gonna be a blast. We're gonna learn about lighting, how to shoot in action scenarios, how to shoot in darker rooms, light rooms, how to compose light, how to actually mold light.
Yeah. And I think we'll bring the smoke machines out again
We will.
too. So we'll get to play all day long, and we've got special pricing for this workshop.
Yes, for this workshop. Now, if you're watching this, we consider you part of the family.
That's right.
$79 get you in.
That's right.
The price is normally $99. It's $79 if you're an alumni, or if you're watching this video, we want you to go ahead and hit the link below that will take you directly to it. Pick that you have been to one of our workshops before, and it's $79, so that price is just for you. But we hope to see you out there. When?
February 3rd.
That's right, February
Yeah,
3rd.
at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. We hope to see you there, Free Flow Academy
Okay.
in Rocklin.
That's right. Boom.